How to send crypto from Binance to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Binance to Gcash. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure to log in or sign up to your Binance account. Then, tap on the Wallets option shown at the bottom right corner. Now select the Withdraw option provided at the top. After that, tap on Withdraw and search for cryptocurrency in the given search bar. Next, select your currency and it will give you two options. You can either send via a crypto network or via email, phone, or ID. Here, tap on the Send via crypto network and you will provide the information. It will ask you about your address, network, and withdrawal amount. In the end, you will select the Gcash option to transfer from Binance to Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.